Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your smart wallet to your bank account. While the exact steps may vary depending on the platform you are using, the general process is usually very similar. So here's a step-by-step guide to help you transfer your funds smoothly. So first of all, you have to go to your phone or PC and download the smart wallet app. This one you can download it from Google Play Store if you are on phone. Then if you're on PC, you can visit their website. Here is the QR code for both Android and iOS. From there you can choose your country. For example, you can choose dishes like German, Japanese, etc. There are plenty of them. Just choose your preferred one. So you have to log in using your username and password, or however you normally sign in. Just find the sign in option and then sign into it. So after then, on the home screen, you can check your wallet balance. Make sure you have enough funds available for withdrawal. If your balance is too low, add money before proceeding. Then look for options like withdraw. So after logging in, find option called withdraw, and from there you have to select add bank account. You have to enter your bank account name. Here you can see your total balance from here. So after then, if your account is already linked, you just select it from the list. So that's it. Type in the amount you want to transfer. Type the amount you want to transfer like this, and check if your wallet has any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits. Carefully review all the transaction details and then tap confirm or withdraw to proceed, and then complete some security checks if prompted, like a one-time OTP or fingerprint or PIN authentication. Then wait for processing. Some process may take 1 to 3 business days, and some transfers are instant. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.